What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm honestly going to tell you that I can't believe I did this because people know that I would have never have put this on my bike before. But after just, putting on the miles we did this year, probably around 23,000 miles in about 14, 15 months of riding, just a lot of miles and a lot of trips, and you really kind of start learning through experience. That's the only way. Nothing could tell you what to do as best as experience can. So let me just go over basically what I'm talking about. This is my 16-inch Suicide Choppers backrest, Suicide Choppers cargo rack. Whether it was this system or some other system, some other backrest or cargo rack, this is pretty much how I would roll on couple day trips or longer trips. I would have this system on the bike, then I would have a large bag on the front, 4 straps to hold that down, and then I would have a smaller bag for the back, another 2 to 4 straps to hold that down just to make sure that nothing would go anywhere, right? This is the problem, couple big problems. So one big problem is I never had enough storage space. Not only do I have to take my personal stuff, I have to take all the camera gear with me, chargers, drone, batteries, and so forth. So that's problem number one, not quite enough storage. And then the second problem is, which is even bigger than the first, in my opinion, is at the end of the day, you're riding 700, 800, 900 miles, you get to the hotel, and now, honestly, I used to dread having to stop, unstrap this front bag, unstrap the back bag. So I got 2 bags, my helmet, camera gear, and then depending on where we were, I would have to unhook the backrest, unhook the cargo rack, bring all that stuff up into the room. It was a nightmare. It was crazy. So I probably 2-3 trips up and down. Having to bring everything to the hotel was really big pain in the ass, in my opinion. So I finally did something that I told myself that I was never gonna do. I got a chopped tour pack for the bike. And honestly, I am in love with it. I always said I was never going to get one. I guess because I was more into how the bike looked, the performance. I'm like having a tour pack, So, but now I was thinking about it, been thinking about it for the past several months. And what we did was Advan Black, huge thank you to them. They hooked Cycle Fanatix up with a chopped tour pack, a black, vivid black chopped tour pack, chrome hinges, chrome fasteners, chrome hardware, and it looks freaking amazing. And let me tell you something. I'm gonna show you in a second. Before we do that, if anybody is interested in this 16-inch, 1.5-inch tubing, Suicide Choppers, backrest, and cargo rack, let me know. My email is right there. Shoot me an email. We'll work out a price, and I'll ship it out to you if anybody is interested. This is the thing. With the tour pack, I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. Actually, let me take all this off now. I just put this on just to show you guys basically what I've been running on the bike. So I already installed the Advan Black docking hardware. It's super simple. I don't need to show that to you guys. Right here, 2 bolts, bolted on, you're done. The longer pieces go towards the front of the bike. As you guys can see, they stick out further. They go through the front. 2 bolts and you're done. Yeah, I just needed a better storage solution, something better, something that would look good. And then I've been looking at several bikes, been looking at the tour packs. I seen how useful they are on this last trip, and I said I have to have it. I seen some regular size tour packs, chopped tour packs, and then I seen the pancake tour packs, and I went with the chopped because the bigger tour pack, I wasn't crazy about the bulkiness of it, even though the storage is amazing. And I didn't like the pancake because we're not delivering pizza, right? You really can't fit anything into that thing, right? Except for probably about 2-3 pizzas. So we went with the chopped tour pack. I didn't get it with the backrest, the pad, because I don't ride 2 up. So this way, and good thing I did, because now, and I'll show you guys in a minute, when I put my bag, and I'll show you guys the bag that I'm gonna be using from here on in. When I put the bag and it's all filled, that bag will actually act as my backrest. So it's worked out actually better than I expected. So anyway, long story short, let me get to it. Right here, docking hardware is already on. I'm gonna put the camera back on. Let me show you guys this amazing tour pack, because let me tell you, we'll go over a couple things once I put it on, because I'm super excited to actually install this and show you guys how this will all work. So that's how easy that is. Then you go up underneath and done. That's it, done. Look at how nice that looks. Chopped tour pack. I got the chrome hinges. No backrest, so this way the bag is going to fit right there and I'll be able to strap it straight down to the docking hardware. I am really, this is, believe it or not, this is one product that I've been really excited about to put on as far as the first upgrade on the bike. Let me get my bag over here. But the bag that I'm going to be using is the 40-liter waterproof Zero 3D duffel bag, which I used on my Sturgis trip. Absolutely great bag, really heavy duty bag, and it's waterproof. I got stuck in the rain a couple times with other bags. Bags got soaked, had to get off the bike, put the covers on the bags, and it's just a real pain in the ass. So now this is the best solution for me. So now I could lock everything in my bags. I could lock them up, leave it in there, and I could keep all of my camera gear. Look at this, beautiful lining, Advan black, really nice quality. The black matches beautifully to it, the vivid black. It's got a nice liner inside and on the lid. I got my rain gear in here now, gloves and stuff like that. But I plan on having everything that I need for overnight stays in the Zero 3D waterproof bag. So this way, when I get to the hotel, I'm gonna literally just unsnap 2 straps, and you can see their quick disconnect. I'm gonna unbuckle 2 straps, throw this on my shoulder, and I'm off to the hotel, and I'm done. I could put my helmet in here because it does fit a helmet. My 3/4 Daytona helmet fits in there. Plan on keeping, obviously, my camera gear, so forth, whatever I need to keep in there overnight, and lock it. And right there, I just lock it up, done. I don't need to take anything else with me. Everything is locked up, and I'll just take my bag with me. So that's why I'm really excited. I wanted to do this first, only because it's going to obviously take us time to do all of the upgrades on the new bike. It's gonna take time, right? I'm not gonna, boom, just slam all the products out in one day, nor can I. We're still waiting on some components to arrive at JD Cycle Works. This way, I have the tour pack. If I do some smaller local ride videos, I have a place to put my camera gear, because another thing is my camera bags, they wouldn't fit in the saddle bags. So that was another big issue. So this looks great, I think. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And like I said, I really didn't like tour packs before, you know? I really didn't like how they looked. I knew the functionality of them was great, but I just didn't care for the looks. But, you know, as you get older, you get smarter. you realize through experience what works, what doesn't work. I think it still looks great. I think it's just super practical, super useful, a lot of storage space, and when I'm riding around town, not on long trips, literally pop it off in 2 seconds and I have the bike back to the way it was. And this is, like I said, 40 liter Zero 3D waterproof duffel bag. They have a whole line, really cool whole line of duffel bags out in the market. I have a short video about all the bags. I'm probably going to throw it into a video so you guys could see, but links will be down below in the description if you want to check it out. But let me know what you guys think of the bike. Let me know what you guys think of tour packs. Do you have one? Do you not have one? What you think about them? Because everybody has a different view. I know a lot of people that do not like the look of a tour pack, but it actually, in the past couple months, it has really grown on me. And honestly, I don't think I would leave home without it ever again on a long trip. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. We're gonna be putting out, wow, a crap load of videos on 2022 Road Glide build. Have so many parts right behind the bike. I just have to literally find the time to do it. So if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.